Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then you need to choose Apps and Notifications, tap on Advanced and select Default Apps. Over here, if you wish to, for example, change your browser app, you need to click on Browser app and select one of the browsers. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back, go into Play Store, download preferable browser. In my case, it will be Opera Mini. And then go back into the same settings. Now when I click on Browser app, I can set up one of the browsers. I want to go with Opera, so I have to click on it and go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!